Most people join InboxDollars thinking every task pays the same. That's the biggest mistake you can make. Because the truth is, some activities earn you pennies, while others can push you toward cash out much faster. Here's the truth no one tells you. If you choose the right earning methods inside InboxDollars in 2026, you can reach payouts significantly faster without spending extra time. In this video, you'll learn the best ways to earn on InboxDollars, which tasks are actually worth your time, and what most beginners get wrong. Let's break it down clearly. First, surveys are still one of the most consistent earning methods. But here's the problem. Not all surveys are equal. Some pay very little for long completion times, while others can be short and high-paying. The key is to qualify for surveys that match your profile. The more accurate your profile, the better your survey matches. Now here's where it gets interesting. Offers and promotions are usually the highest earning opportunities inside InboxDollars. These can include trying free trials, signing up for apps, or completing partner tasks. Users like Jake from Texas often reach their first payout mainly through offers instead of surveys. But you need to be careful. Some offers require subscriptions or payments after trial periods. Always read the conditions before starting. Another strong earning method is watching videos. However, this is where most people fail. They expect fast money from videos alone. In reality, video rewards are small and should only be used as passive earning in the background. Now let's talk about shopping rewards. If you already shop online, InboxDollars can give you cash back through partner stores. This is one of the easiest ways to earn without extra effort because you are already spending money. But here's the smart strategy most users miss. Combine multiple earning methods instead of relying on just one. For example, complete a high-paying survey, then switch to a small offer, and let videos run in the background. This stacking method increases your daily progress significantly. Another important tip is consistency. InboxDollars rewards active users more frequently, and some bonus opportunities appear only when you log in daily. Also, keep an eye on limited-time offers inside the dashboard. These often provide higher payouts compared to regular tasks. So to summarize clearly, the best ways to earn on InboxDollars in 2026 are surveys, high-value offers, cashback shopping, and strategic use of video tasks. The real secret is not doing everything. It is choosing the right combination of high-value tasks. If you apply this strategy, you will move toward cash out much faster and avoid wasting time on low-paying activities. If this helped you understand how to earn smarter on InboxDollars, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest earning app guides.